Okay, start. This is fraction. Challenge. This is my challenge
Where's
for
the
Inday.
1/2?
Oh, this fraction. If you see, this is fraction. Okay. Next. Okay, this is her answer. 1/2. It's very good.
1/2. This one is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the 5?
Nandun sa dire be. Ay, pagliho. Nandun dire. Oh, sige. Continue answer.
Where?
Okay, what is the correct answer? Oy,
Where's the 3? That's one. Check.
gi.
Check.
Hmm. Sige.
1, 2, 3. Where's the 3? This one. Check. This one. 1, 2, 3. Where's that 2? 1, 2, 3. Where's the 2? This one is 3.
Okay. This one, just now, for the first time, I challenge Inday about fraction. So, just now, just today, I asked her to challenge about the fraction. So, for the first time, she answered this one, the fraction, no? So, the answer is you put over here, ikaw mo yung magsuwat sa you write your answer here, the same this one like this. What is the correct answer? You write same like this, then this the equals here, the answer here is here like this. Okay, you write your answer. Which one you correct answer? Your correct answer is you write. Okay, very good. Next. Wa na kini laging maggamit untaan ni kuanon kanang ikahuman ba kanang kuanon ikahuman ba ilabay dili kay ibutang ra dire kay wa naman pati naman ning hugawa dire. Sige na, continue. Okay.
Where's correct answer?
Sige, next. Okay. What is the correct answer? Okay, go. 1/3. That is 1/3. Sige, go. Next.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Ibutangan dayon. Iuna na dayon butang. Oh, ya. Di na maklaro imong 3. Unsa na, murag 8, murag 3 ambot unsa na. Sige.
3.
Sige. Pastor.
8.
Ang imong answer ana inday. Anaa lang na Ya ana lang arong mag-igo. Ibali. Yan na ba? Yan na. i-erase. Yan na. I-slash. Yan. Sige. Ana ah.
Slash.
Oh, i-slash lang. Sige. Okay, go. Saman. Okay, go.
Five.
Sige. For the first time, this is challenge in life about a fraction. For the first time, she answered about a fraction. Because the teacher said she will need to, she have a subject, a fraction in the school like this. And then now, I challenge her to try how to answer the fraction. Sige, go. Okay, next.
Ikaw man.
Kababaw.
Okay na?
Answer na, proceed sa another kuan. Minus.
Nine.
Hi, 9.
Ay, nine
Oh,
minus one.
very good. Okay, go. Sige.
Equals eight. Seven minus four.
Ang pagbasa ana 71 minus 49.
Equals three.
So equals, the answer is
38.
38. Okay. 66 minus 19. So say 9 minus 6, 6 minus 1. So if you read this one like this, 66 minus 19, but for easy answering, you make it like this, 6 minus 9 minus 6, 6 minus 1 to make it easy for Inday. So go. Gonna go.
9 minus 6. What?
Okay, go.
9.
Ang anong na, 9 lagi. Minus 6.
Minus 6 equals 3.
6 minus 1.
6 minus 1.
Equals 6 minus 1.
Equals 5.
So the answer is
53.
53. Okay, next 26 minus 19. So for short, 9 minus 6.
Okay.
It's the same. Say 9, 9, 9, 6, 9, 6. This is the same answer. This is the easy. Parehara sila. Sige, go! Make faster, Inday. Dali na pagkakuan ba? Pag-practice ang dali-dali on. Dali na perfect. 20 minus 16, so 0 minus 6 equals 6. Okay? Sigurado? 20.
Pareho.
Oh? 20. Wadsa. 20 minus 16.
Utan awa. Iba wani. Berting.
Dili oy.
Ha? Kani?
Dili lagi. Answer niya is 20.
Sige.
16 ano na 16 man. 20 minus 16. Kaya pala yun. Na siya. 20 minus 16. The answer is 16. The answer is 4. 4 na lang. 4.
Luman.
Sige.
Hindi ka basta kapareha.
Sige. Anaon na siya di ayo. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Kay 0 man ni siya. Iana din na siya dito. Iana. Kani siya mo ipares dito niya. Kanan 2 mo ipares sa 1. Sige. So nahimo siyang
9 minus
yun. Lang.
6.
Nalibog ko.
9 minus 6.
Nalibog ko ani. Basta dili na siya day. Basta ingon ani kasi 0 ang pares inday. Dili na siya anaon day inday. Diretso na siya 20 niya. Minusan og 16. Sige go. Mag-ihap kag 16 niya. Minusan nimo. 20 minus 16.
Ano sa ko?
Namna. Dili ka kamao?
Ay,
Di ka kamao?
ikaw kakuan.
Ayan, naman na oh.
Able sa ba? Kakuan sa baso.
Kana oh. Ay, ayaw na. Kanang blue.
Magguniti.